me show you guys how you can earn something like this. You can earn a lot of money from this particular app I'm about to talk about in this video. And make sure you stick to the end of this video because I'll show you guys how you can make more money for yourself just by calling people. This app is more like Neon, but more better than Neon, and I'll show you guys how it is better and how you can start making money online with this app. Alright guys, if this is the first time you come across my channel, this is James Profit. On this channel I post about making money online. I bring updates that you guys can make money online from and show you guys tutorial on how you can go about it using just your smartphone. If you like what I do here, hit the subscribe button and let's just get started. The first thing I need to do right here is to educate you guys on what this app does and how you can make money from this app, because that's what I saw right here. So what this app is trying to do is that, as you can see, it is written here, what if you could talk to your friends and get paid? Alright, that's how the app works. So when you scroll down here, you see your time, you're already talking. This app just makes sure you benefit from it, and when you want, you have total control. You only earn from your conversation when you choose to. Right? Many people are making money from it, and you can also start making money from this app. More talk, more pay. It's simple and all that. Before I continue, I'm not a financial advisor. All I do is to make some research on how I can make money online, and if it works for me, definitely it should work for you. But if it doesn't work for you, I'm not guaranteeing you that it will work. I'm not guaranteeing anybody that this will work for the person. Make sure you do your proper research before you jump into anything at all. Alright? Now, this is how this app works. The first thing is for you to find friends on this app. You find friends on this app. When you find friends, you connect with those friends, meaning you add friends on this app, and when they accept your friend request, you make call on them, you make calls on this app. What this app literally do is very simple. They use your voices, your call recordings and all that. They sell it to AI companies. Alright? This AI company buys your voice recording and they use it to train AI. More like how Neon did last time. They use your voices to train AI models in English, Spanish and any other dialect you have. Yeah, they use it to train AI. As you can see right here, see AI partners buy the data. Only vetted companies, only approved use cases, alright? So they don't use your data anyhow. That's what they are trying to say. They pay you $20 per hour. Yeah, on this AI platform, they pay you $20 per hour, alright? Now, they're asking, what is Fluffle? Fluffle is a voice calling app where users get paid for their conversation. You can call others, earn money when your recording are used for AI training data and build your network. So how do I earn money from Fluffle? When you tap on this, let's tap on it. After each call, you'll be asked if you consent to your recording being monetized. If both you and your call partner approve, the calling may be used by our partner. You will receive a compensation if one of your data partners purchases it. To note, not all calls are purchased, meaning when you guys make calls together, not all calls. You can make 5 calls with someone and not all will be approved. They might pay for some and not pay for some because not all are approved, alright? So I'll still show you guys how you can make money from this app. So, do I get paid on every call? You only get paid if your partner purchases the data. If not purchased, your data will be warehoused and listed as available for purchases for any partners. Alright? When will I receive my earnings? As you can see, earnings are credited to your Fluffle wallet. Once a session is approved and purchased by our partner, you can request a withdrawal from the wallet tab. Once your balance meets the minimum threshold is only $5. You withdraw your money when you reach $5 on this app. So who is buying my data? You can go through all of these things. So there's how it is. What language are supported? It says Fluffle supports calls in any language. When submitting a call for monetization, select the language you spoke. So I'll show you guys how you can sign up on this app for free. You don't need to buy a US number, you don't need to buy anything, you don't need to own your proxy. Alright, so when you go to your Play Store, you search for this app. As you can see, Fluffle chat with friends. Alright, so when you download this app, make sure you use the link below to download this app. Then you open this app like this. Alright, this is how it looks, this is how the app looks. Then you go to, either you put your email or you continue with Google. I'll continue with Google right there. Let's continue with Google. I've chosen one of my email. It's loading. Yeah, if you're finding value in this video, make sure you subscribe. Alright, just search for it right here, James. Let me just put my username, James Profit White 1. Let me just continue like this. Here you put your date of birth. You can put in date of birth. Let me just put in. Then here, mail, country. This country, it comes with your dialect. If you are going to speak English, just choose United States, okay? If you are going to choose speak Spanish, choose from your country, alright? We will speak English in Nigeria, so we are going to speak United States, okay? Continue. Now, here, yeah, English is already selected, as you can see right here. Yeah, you can see English is already selected. Then United States, English American, as you can see, everything is selected. Then tap on continue, right? Now this referral code, make sure you enter this referral code whenever you're signing up. just put James Profit. Okay, that's just all you need to do. Make sure you put it, okay? So you click on continue right there. Alright, click on I accept. Alright, so after that, now you click on next, click on let's go. Alright, as you can see right here, they'll pay you $20 per hour. Alright, $20 per hour. As you can see, these are the current high demand language they need: French, Spanish, and all that. Okay, there are many languages. Alright, so now how do you get people to start calling? Come to this place that it says, where is it? Okay, I think here, this call. Alright, then you can search for anybody username. If you want people username, click the link below to join a group, a Telegram group, where you can get people to call with. Alright, so right here, just search for, let me just search for Gloria. That's the username. Okay, as you can see, these are Gloria, right? You will just be adding them until people accept you. When they accept you, you can make calls with them. Alright, but it's better to know someone beside you so that you guys can call, so that you guys can be online at the same time. Alright, okay, that's very good. So you just add them as friends. Keep adding them. You can as well add me as friend if you want. You can just search for James Profit right here. Okay, this is me. You can as well add me as friends. Okay, so now let me teach you guys something you need to know. If you want to make more money from this app, now let's assume I speak English and another person in India speak English. You know, our dialect is different. The way I speak English is different from the way that person speak English. So if you have someone outside your space, his dialect is different. Now, if AI it finds it hard to copy dialect like the Indian dialect, you understand? So companies are willing to be able to buy your own recording because you are recording with someone dialect that is not more popular, but they need this to train AI, you understand? So if you are calling someone from outside country, from China or any country, you understand, and their dialect is different, you'll be making money. Okay, you'll be making a lot of money. I'm not saying me and you can make money with our English. We can. Alright, but if you have someone like that, I hope you understand what I'm saying. Okay, so that's how you can make more money for yourself on this app. How do you draw your money? To your wallet address. Okay, draw your money to your wallet address. You can add your first address. This is it. You have your main USDC wallet. Okay, if you don't know how to do this, send me a message. I will help you. Alright, our group is open. Link will be in the description. You can join, and yeah, we'll guide you through. Alright, so I hope you find value in this video. Okay, I hope you find value in the video. If you don't understand anything, drop in the comments, and also make sure you drop a comment and a like. At least like this video. Alright, so I will see you guys on the next one. Peace.